Sarah. I was just sent this doll set. It's got 20 different pieces in it, including the doll and the stroller. So I'm going to open this up here with my daughter, get it out, and check everything out. So here we've got our little doll. It's a little 12-inch dowel. And then we've got our stroller. Looks like it's got a little case that you can have for a little pretend purse. And here it goes with the stroller part.
Whoa.
It's a cute little stroller. It's got these nice big wheels on here that we're just going to click right in here. All right, so to install the wheels, we just put this bar through both sides first. And then we have these little locking mechanisms that go on each side. So we've got the little white lock. We're going to put this bigger side towards the wheel, and we're going to stick that on there. And then we have a little cap to make it look pretty. We're going to stick that on and just push it on there so it locks the wheel so it doesn't then fall off. And then that goes flush. And now we've got our little baby doll stroller. We can lock it then into place on the top up here on these little bars. And we get the other little bar over here and we just slide it over there. And now we have our little stroller. So now you can put your baby in the stroller. Here we go, put it over there with you. So then it comes with all sorts of different accessories. It actually shows on this page all the different things that it has. So we've got the cloth basket. It just has little buttons that we're going to button around these little metal bars on the stroller. So just like a realistic one, you have a little area at the bottom that you can then put your little goodies. All right, so now we've got that. We've got the baby. She has a little purse. Some other accessories. It looks like we've got a little plate so the baby can eat. We've got a little baby potty. Here's a little bib. You want to put the bib on her?
Yep.
Baby's got changes of clothes. We've got different outfits for her. She's got a little washcloth. Oh, baby diapers. This has got all sorts of cute little things that we can use for the baby to just be able to pretend play. Up from pacifiers to bottles to shoes, even to little toys that children can then play with a little baby doll and have all sorts of imaginary fun. You actually can pull this out, and there's a little tab on the back that you can pull out, and it actually makes her more realistic. So then she can talk and make noises. So I'm going to get her clothes back on, and then we will push her little button. Put some shoes on, push the button, let's see how it sounds. Oh no, baby's crying. You gonna give him some bottle? Okay, here she's on. This has got hours and hours that you can play with imaginary play for your kids. And this little stroller will hold up to an 18-inch doll. So if you had other dolls besides this one, you can actually put the babies in there and roll them around. And hours of pretend play.